Spiral Practice 88. The model is shaded to represent an equation. Which equation is represented by the model? So if you look at this picture, you can see that there's light and dark groups here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. That's where the whole number 6 comes from. Then you want to look to see how many are in each group. Here's 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28. So we know it's not B and we know it isn't D. 6 times 28 hundredths. Then you have to see which answer works here. So here's one whole. Here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is C. If we multiplied this out, 28 hundredths times 6. Remember that when you're multiplying decimals, you do not line them up. 6 times 8 is 48. Put down your 8, carry your 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Remember to put your decimal, you count how many digits are after the decimal here, 2. We don't have any here. Add these together, 2 plus 0 is 2, so we need 2 digits behind the decimal, 1, 2. Okay? Number 2. A 5th grade science team conducted a ball drop experiment. They created a scatter plot to represent the height of the ball when it was dropped and the height of the first bounce of the ball. Which best describes the scatter plot the science team made? When the height the ball bounce is long, the height the ball was dropped from is short. So let's say here's that it was dropped from, it was short, and it says the height is going to be long. Okay, well you can see that's not the case. Okay, when the height the ball bounces is short, the height the ball was dropped from is long. So they're saying when they dropped it from a higher distance, okay, then it bounced shorter. That's not the case either. When the height the ball bounces is long, the height the ball was dropped from is long. So they're saying when you drop it from higher, then it bounces higher. So as these numbers get higher, the height you dropped it from, the bounce of the ball also gets higher. So that is correct. The answer is, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even show those. The answer is H. Okay, and number 3. Copper tiles will be used to cover 1/100th of a 1,944 square foot floor in a museum. Which equation represents the amount of the floor that will be covered in copper tiles? So 1/100th of this means we're going to multiply. Okay, 1/100th, they're looking for it as a decimal, would be 0.01. Tenths, hundredths times 1,944. Okay, equals, so basically the only one that works over here would be D.